Yeah, this is like a new United Wealth education video. It's gonna introducing myself. My name is William Drotsky. I do have a YouTube channel like William's Home Business Central there on YouTube. I also have a channel there on Rumble, and I'm almost on pretty much on a lot of the social media there. But I'm gonna be playing this video there on introducing a really fantastic opportunity in wealth education. If you want further information there, you can check out my websites at domexpert.com. If you're interested in getting involved with credit repair or credit education, or building a financial nest egg during current events, because there's a whole bunch of layoffs coming, and it's pretty important to start embracing entrepreneurship and the ways to earn money from home, earning online, or being a consultant for United Wealth is a lucrative opportunity to begin, and it's something you should be looking into this year, or the next year, or today. This is William Drotsky. It's like remind you to shake the money tree. Share this video far and wide.